चमड़ी जाए पर दमड़ी ना जाए. In today's ifactner learning video tutorial, we will learn the meaning of Urdu and Hindi idiom Chamri jaye par dhamri na jaye in Urdu, Hindi and English. We will also make a sentence using Chamri jaye par dhamri na jaye and translate it in English. Let's start our tutorial. Now the literal meaning of Chamdi jaye, dhamri na jaye is to save a cent at the expense of one's skin. It means that a person is ready to sacrifice his skin, but he is not ready to spend a cent or a pence. So, चमड़ी जाए पर दमड़ी ना जाए means अपने आप को तकलीफ में डाल लेना लेकिन पैसे खर्च ना करना. Being miser at the expense of one's health or life. That is, putting oneself in trouble but not spending. Now let's make a sentence using चमड़ी जाए पर दमड़ी ना जाए. For example, I say to a friend who has a very old pair of shoes and they are injuring his feet. I will say, नए जूते ले लो, तुम्हारी तो वो हालत है कि चमड़ी जाए पर दमड़ी ना जाए. Now let's translate this sentence in English. Buy a new pair of shoes. You are not spending money by putting yourself in trouble. Or buy a new pair of shoes. You are not spending money at the expense of your health. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope that now you understand the meaning of Chamdi jaye par dhamri na jaye in Urdu and Hindi. If you would like to, then you can make a sentence using this idiom and paste it in a comment section below and I will check it out if it's right or wrong. Thank you very much. For comments and suggestions, you can use the comment section. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family members. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. ifactner.